Which part of Indian Constitution deals with the election of the Vice President? Part 5. In the State Legislative Assembly, the money bill can be introduced with the prior permission of Governor. Which of the following constitutional amendment acts led to formation of the Goods and Services Tax Council? (101st Constitutional Amendment Act). Under which of the following acts was the power to rule India transferred from the English East India Company to the British Crown? Government of India Act 1858. Which of the following options is the legislative organ of the Union Government? Parliament. Who among the following is not a member of the National Human Rights Commission? District Magistrate. Which article has a similar provision to that of Article 32 and deals with writ jurisdiction? Article 226. Which of the following is not a condition for the President's office in India? He shall not be entitled, without payment of rent, to use his official residence. Which of the following articles states that the Prime Minister should be appointed by the President? Article 75. The concept of independence of judiciary in the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of the USA. Which of the following constitutions inspired the law-making process in India? British Constitution. The dash of every state unfurls the flag in its capital on the Republic Day. Governor. As of March 2023, how many high courts are there in India? (25) A student on his school assignment is taking a session on how to make compost at home for using it at a park. Which fundamental duty is he performing? To protect and improve the natural environment. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Election Commission? Part 15. Which of the following articles deals with the composition of the Rajya Sabha? Article 80. Articles 214 to 231 and Part 6 of the Indian Constitution deal with the High Courts. The upper house of a state legislature is known as the Vidhan Parishad. The Supreme Court of India comprises the Chief Justice and not more than dash other judges appointed by the President of India. (33) In which of the following years was the Election Commission of India founded? (1950) Which of the following is the most controversial article in the Indian Constitution, which provides for President's rule in any state? Article 356. The organization that Controller and Auditor General heads is known as Indian Audit and Accounts Department. Which of the following articles and parts of the Indian Constitution deal with the state legislature? Articles 168 to 212 in Part 6. Which industrial policy marked the beginning of liberalization in the Indian industry, reducing the restrictions on private companies? Industrial Policy 1991. Which of the following duties has been not prescribed by the Indian Constitution as fundamental duties? 1. To defend the country. 2. To pay income tax. 3. To cast the vote in election. 4. To safeguard the public property. Two and 3 both. Answer in comment section. If a 12-year-old is found to be working in a factory manufacturing carpets, which of the following articles of the Constitution of India will be violated? Please like the video. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Thank you.